Here's why your refinished furniture isn't selling. Number one, you're not staging your photos. Particularly for that cover photo that you put at the front of your listings, you want that to be something that someone's looking at and can envision it in their home. Now, while you don't want to distract with like too many pieces of decor or having it be too wide of a shot that you really don't even notice the furniture piece itself, you want to kind of keep it neutral, but lean into whatever style fits that piece best. Kind of show off how it could be used. So maybe you put some textural things like a basket with some throw pillows or blankets. Maybe you add some greenery with some plants, add a little life. If it's something that would be good in a nursery or a children's room, maybe you put some toys or books around it. Just something so someone can like really envision it in their space. Number two, you're not putting all the details in your listing. As someone who is an avid buyer of furniture on Facebook Marketplace and other online platforms, there is nothing that irks me more and is gonna make me go away from a listing quicker than there not being all the information that I need readily available in my face in that second. And it's an instant gratification, okay? I wanna see dimensions. I wanna see where you're located. Do you offer delivery? What condition are the drawers in? Do they slide well? Is there any issues with the piece that I should be aware of? Making sure you have all of that in your description from the get-go is going to ensure that you're not getting people just swiping away from your listing because they're like, I'm gonna have to go back and forth with this person to get the information, like that's too much effort. And a little hack, you can save a template with all the details that you put regularly in your listings, or even just with like plug and play for where you would put the dimensions, where you would put the colors and stuff that you used, and just save it in your notes app or in a Google Doc, and then you can just copy paste, fill in the blanks. So much easier, so much quicker. Number three, because you're not leaning into the fact that you are a furniture refinisher. Whether this is just a side hustle or something that you want to grow into a full-time business one day, you have to let the people know that this is a refinished piece of furniture that you, with expertise, have refinished. If you explain everything that goes into it, the products that you use, the steps that were done, that's going to justify a higher price point that you want to be selling your pieces at, rather than just a random dresser that was sitting in someone's house for 4 years and they decided to sell. Also, highlight your business, leave your social handles, leave your website, let people get into your world, and they'll be coming back for more as clients to come in the future. Leave a comment and let me know if you struggle with any of these things, and follow for more.